I want to ask you whether you know what this is. This is a prescription pad. A prescription pad is something on which doctors write prescriptions for medications that allows people to be treated. Now, I have written prescriptions for a very long time myself, but the key thing is that there is something more than just a prescription that allows an individual to heal, and that is called power beyond prescription. Hi, my name is Dr Arun Dhir. I'm a gastrointestinal and a weight loss surgeon, and I've practiced my craft for over 2.5 decades. Over the course of many years, what I've realized is that people turn to pills and procedures in the hope to manifest their healing, in the hope to get their health and well-being back. The bigger question that I have for you is, how do you define health and well-being? Is it merely absence of disease? Or is it really living your life in a state of peak health and vitality? And in my opinion, it all starts with your belief. See, belief is the way you experience the world. It can be based on two different aspects. One could be blind faith or blind belief, where people talk about crystals and energies and all of that, Whereas on the other extreme are people who are totally focused on evidence, on science. Show me the evidence first and then I'll believe. I am saying, and I have experienced the one thing, that belief comes when your body, you as an individual, start to embody an experience. Now, what I mean by that is a very deep concept, but this is where I have developed a program which is called as Power Beyond Prescription. See, I am a man of medicine. I've practiced surgery for now over 2.5 decades, as I said. And there is power in pills and procedures. They have absolutely enhanced our quality of life. They've saved us from life-threatening conditions. If you have a pneumonia, I'm not going to ask you to go and meditate. If you have a broken bone, I'm not going to say to you that hope that it gets better. Go and get it fixed. There are surgeons who know how to fix the bone, and that experience is something that allows you to embody the science behind it. But then there is another environment in which that bone is there, which is causing the healing. There is the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and all of those things which are around it, which is what allows the healing to take place. Now, if you take that concept to some of the chronic diseases, that is predominantly what our current medical healthcare system is facing. Things like cancer, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and heart issues and all of that. They are not from somebody who has kind of, put in or broken a link. It is more around this whole environment that is breeding disease. And that's where the role of your internal chemistry comes in. And that's what I present in this program, which is an integrated whole person approach. The program is divided into 5 key parts. It starts with gaining the information. Are you looking for just disease care, or are you looking for health care? That's the first thing. The second part of this program is around how to develop that mindset of belief. Third is your gut. Your gut is the seat of your power. It is the power hose in your body. The fourth is that of your emotions. How your emotions affect your healing. The last and the most important is your environment. See, your environment has a huge impact on your overall ability to heal. So in this integrated whole person approach, I'm not asking you to throw away the pills and don't believe in procedures. No, I'm asking you to integrate the two together. The pills and the procedures that you get from the Western medicine, and your unlocking your own inner ability to heal yourself. It's an integrated approach where we blend these two things together. See, it has been my belief always that he who has hope has got health. As Thomas Carlyle said very famously, if you don't have hope, you look at everything in a hopeless way. And hopelessness is what leads to depression, all those mental health issues. And what our research and evidence is telling us, that there is a very strong connection between the body and the mind. The body and the mind are integrated in such a way that if you want to take charge of your health and well-being, and you want to live life in a true peak state of health and vitality, not just for your own self, but for your loved ones, and to be able to contribute and make a difference on this planet, on your journey on this planet, I feel you need to change your belief system. And that's where I invite you to join me for a forthcoming program that I'm running, which is both live and virtual, called Power Beyond Prescription. I'll see you there.